Today's project, we are going to be changing one of the headlights in a 2006 Toyota Highlander. This is going to be similar to many of the models out there. If you check down in the description, I will put a link to the replacement bulbs for this particular model. I think it actually works for a few different models of this series. It's not too difficult to change the lights in these. We're changing the low beam bulb in this particular vehicle. Down here, I don't know if you can see or not, that plug right there, that is what we have to unhook first. And basically we do that by squeezing the harness and pulling down to release the light. You may even pull the bulb out just like this with it still attached. So what we need to do once we have it removed, which again, to remove it, all you got to do is just twist the bulb, and once you have it out to where you can grab it, press down on this tab and then simply unplug the old light just like that, and the replacement goes in just the opposite. And as I said just a minute ago, I will put a link to the replacement bulbs down in the description of this video. It is there's several different ones on the market. This seems to be one that works very well, very affordable, and down in the description a link to Amazon. That's one of the best places to be able to get them. And again, this is the bulb here, the replacement. It simply plugs right in here. You just plug it in until it clicks, and once it gets locked in, just like that, all you have to do then is simply put it back into the opening. You're going to put it in at an offset of about 90 degrees. Simply twist the bulb back into position. It may take just a little bit of wiggling to get it to drop in. There's actually some notches on the side of the bulb that will match the headlight in here, and you'll basically just match those up and twist the bulb back into position just like that. And then once you get it twisted back in, you're ready to test it. And there we are. Again, guys, check the link down in the description to find the replacement bulbs for this particular vehicle. Thanks for watching. Drop me any comments down below, and we'll see you next time.